So here's a more complicated equation. What it's suggesting is to split it up as two separate equations. So I'm going to say the first one's y equals x squared plus 9x minus 5, so the left side. And then let's make another one. 4 minus 3x. So what we're suggesting to do is graph both those. I guess I shouldn't have written where the graph is going to pop up. That's okay. Graph both and then just see where they intersect, and then you can use the calculator to show exactly where they're intersecting. So this would be a situation where clearly those solutions are, you're not going to get them by factoring, right? So you could do it by quadratic equation, or there's another way to do it. So we can get the calculator to force you to give you those coordinates. So let's take a look. Let's take a look here. So we'll do the same thing. We're going to split it into two different equations and then use the graphing calculator to graph, and it will tell us where they intersect. So pause it and then come back and let's see if we have the same answer. All right, so in the graphing, and then, by the way, if you are on a different kind of problem and you want something like this, you just go up to Tools and you hit the Desmos graphing calculator. It's embedded in the question here, but you can get this anytime. Obviously, if you have your own handheld graphing calculator, that's cool too. We'll get rid of that. So I took the left side of the equation. That ended up being the orange part, and then the right side ended up being the black part. So you got the curve, you got the line. Where do they intersect? All right, so you can actually click and actually hover. The first intersection point is that. The other intersection point is that. That's it. That's all you have to do. So it's also giving you the intercepts, which it's not asking for, but if you needed that, there you go. But the intersection points are the answers. All right, so give the exit ticket a try and let me know if you have any questions.